Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make stock go up in GTA 5. This easy method focuses on leveraging Lester's assassination missions to manipulate the in-game stock market for massive profits. Before you begin, ensure you have completed the main story missions up to the first assassination mission. It's crucial to save your game before each mission, giving you a chance to retry if your investments don't perform as expected. Get ready to turn your virtual cash into millions. The key to this strategy lies in Lester's assassination missions. Before starting each mission, you'll want to invest heavily in the competitor company of your target. For example, with the first mission, invest all of Franklin, Michael, and Trevor's money into Beta Pharmaceuticals. Once the mission is complete, the stock of the targeted company will plummet, while its competitor, your investment, will skyrocket. Wait for the peak, then sell for huge returns. After you've sold your initial investment for a profit, the strategy isn't over. Now, you need to buy low. Wait for the stock of the company you just sabotaged to hit its absolute lowest point. Then, reinvest all your money into that cheapened stock. This stock will almost always recover significantly, often by 100% or even more. This second wave of investment is where you truly maximize your earnings. To truly maximize your wealth, always ensure all three characters, Franklin, Michael, and Trevor, invest their money. Their combined capital will yield the largest profits. Patience is also key. Don't rush to sell. Monitor the stock market closely for the absolute peak before cashing out. By repeating this simple two-step process for all 5 of Lester's assassination missions, you can easily turn a few $1 million into over $1 billion in-game.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.